हेलो गाइस। इस सेशन में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं बेसिक अबाउट फ्रंट एंड डेवलपमेंट। ओके, सो दैट्स for this we have to know about what is internet. Internet is a network of network by using which people are connected to each other, or we can access internet related services. For most for this we have to use Chrome browsers. Okay, in any device we have to install browsers there. By using we can access internet related services, or we can connect each other by using all these. Okay, so then second one, these are the most popular web browsers: Chrome, Opera, Firefox, and Safari. Then next, what is server? Okay, uh, multiple devices connected to each other, and that all the combination of all devices is called as server. Okay, where we can store the projects, or then all devices are access that services. Okay, so just like one example for you, this is a client and server example. When client is go to shop, or any person is go to shop, then he is asking a request to any device or laptop. Okay, then the server, the shopkeeper is response is showing list of bunch the devices or whatever you want. He searches in their shop and he showing you in the form of response. Okay, वही आप वहाँ पे शो देखते हो कि कौन सा वहाँ पे आपके रिलेटेड जो आपने रिक्वेस्ट किया था वो आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे और आप उसे देखेंगे। ओके, यही होता है कि क्लाइंट एंड सर्वर के बीच में का प्रोसेस। ओके, देन सेकंड वन, हाउ the work page process. Okay, first of all, the user is opening the device and open any browser application. Okay, then in the search box you will enter your URL. Okay, that URL the browser request to DNS server, and the DNS server is request transfer your request to server. Server, what are available, the available projects are there, or any website are there. He search, and if a search is done, then it will respond to your browser. Okay, in the form of website. The all the code in the form of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, he will send all the files to your browser. Then your browser is convert into a proper website. Okay, this is the process of the web works. Okay, first of all, URL is a the DNS server is a domain name system, is used to translate your URL into translate domain URL into IP address. Okay, because the server is known only IP address. Okay, that's why the DNS server is translate your URL into IP address. Then next, what is next? Then next is client and server. URL is the uniform resource locator, is unique. And also then next is HTTPS. HTTP is a request hypertext transfer protocol. Both are the same, but HTTP is not secure and HTTPS is secure. Okay. Then second, third, fourth one is IP address. IP address is a unique code is generated by DNS server. Is unique address is internet is form stands for internet protocol address. Okay, this is the example of IP address 192.0.100.108. Okay, then next is Genius. DNS domain name system is used to translate URL into IP address. Okay, database. Database where we can store the data. The server is access the data from database. Okay, website. The combination of multiple pages is called as website. Okay, then web page. The combination of multiple elements is called as web page. Okay, this is the example of client and server. Then next, this is the example of Instagram website. Okay, the combination of all these pages is called as one website. Okay, the combination of all the elements, just like this is the heading, this is input box, and this button, and this is label. Okay, this is also button. Okay, this link also, you can say, is all the combination of all the elements is called as web page. Okay, single web page, and the combination of all the pages is called as website. Okay, then what is full stack development? Full stack development, it refers the development of both front end and back end. Okay, so front end, back end, and database. This all the if we know all this front end, back end, and database, that's called as full stack development developer. Okay, and the combination of all the technologies front end, back end, and database is called as full stack development. Okay, in front end HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, and all the frameworks. Okay, in back end any one language and its framework. Then next, database. There are more technologies like SQL, MySQL, MongoDB, CosDB, MS SQL. Okay, these are the example of database. If we learn all this, you can you will say as full stack developer. Okay, then what is front end development? The front end development is someone who creates the website. Okay, or web applications. Front end developers creates things that user can see. जो भी आपको वहाँ पे दिखता है वो उसे कहते हैं फ्रंट एंड. ओके, द यूजर कैन सी. ओके, फ्रंट एंड डेवलपमेंट में HTML, CSS, JavaScript and frameworks. Okay, why it's why it fun and creative, and it is flexible. You can work from anywhere, or many companies are looking for front end developers. Okay, then next, what is all this HTML, meaning of HTML and CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. Okay, so for example, if we develop any building, first of all we have to develop structure of the building. Then we have to apply all the colors, shapes, and all logical things. Okay, so HTML is used to build the structural layer in a human body is also same. The skeletal layer is a structural layer. Then our skin and color and clothes. These are the CSS. Okay, by using CSS we can develop website shapes and colors. Okay. Then next, if we apply Bootstrap, then we can use our website in multiple devices. Is called as responsive and more stuff. Okay, if we apply Bootstrap, then next if we apply JavaScript, then our website is fully developed. Does anyone need any caption? Because if we apply all these technologies, HTML, CSS and JavaScript, then our website like this. Okay, nothing is need for our website. Okay, then our next topic is HTML. Okay, HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Okay, hypertext, it means linking from current link to another page or element. Okay, and markup language means inserting the element inside the angular brackets. HTML is invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 2000, 1995. Okay, HTML first version, and then our current version is HTML5. Okay, used to design, develop web page and website. Okay, is called as HTML. Then next, HTML tags. Okay, so HTML tags are predefined keywords enclosed within angular brackets. Okay, you have to use angular brackets for creating the tags. Okay, so there are the two types of tags. First one is where tags. It means opening and closing tag. We have to first of all provide HTML open tag, then closing tag. Okay, then second one is unpaired tags. In cell is also called as cell closing tag, also void and empty tag. Okay, so these are the example of the unpaired tags, like BR tag is a line bracket, and second HR tag is a horizontal line, and third one is link is a linking another page. Image tag is also for image. Okay, these are the unpaired tags we have to use while developing HTML page. Okay, then next, this is the structure of HTML. First is root tag is HTML, then next is head tag, and this is the two child tags are there. The first one is head tag, then body tag. Inside whatever you write inside the body tag, this will be visible on the browser. Okay, remaining are not visible on the browser. Only uh, child of body tag, all this visible on the browser. Okay, this is the example of HTML. So for this we have to use one code editor. that is called as a VS Code. For that, we have to go on browser and search for VS Code. Okay, this is a VS Code and click on first website and install it in your device. Okay, click on download for Windows. If you have Mac OS, then we have to install this stable version universal, and if we have Linux, then you have to use this stable version. Okay, so you have to just following procedure for that only. You have to, if जैसे कि कोई एप्लीकेशन हम वहाँ पे इंस्टॉल करते हैं मोबाइल में या लैपटॉप में, जस्ट नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट करके आपको VS कोड इंस्टॉल करना है. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट, अब जब वो ओपन करेंगे वहाँ पे आपको ये वेलकम पेज शो होगा जस्ट लाइक दिस. वहाँ पे क्रॉस बटन आएगा, वो क्रॉस पे क्लिक करके उसे क्लोज करना है. ठीक है, उसके बाद में यहाँ पे दो एक्सटेंशन वहाँ पे इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा, जैसे कि लाइव सर्वर, ओके, लाइव सर्वर ये. ठीक है, ये आपको इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वन इज TTR. TTR भी आपको इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा. TTR एक फॉर्मेटर है VS कोड के लिए, जो आपको शॉर्ट हैंड प्रॉपर्टीज प्रोवाइड करता है directly. Okay, and live server is used to provide local server for your website. Okay, जो भी पेजेस अपने को टेस्ट करने होते हैं या ब्राउज़र पर शो करना होता है, उसके लिए आप डायरेक्टली लाइव सर्वर ओपन कर सकते हो, और जैसे जैसे आप उसमें अपडेट करते जाओगे वहाँ पे वो चेंजेस होते जाएंगे. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे स्टॉप करते हैं. ठीक है, क्या देखा हमने, ये सारा कुछ हमने यहाँ पे आपको समझा दिया है. ओके, थैंक यू.